This is Nubia Redmagic 6R, and today we are going to show how you can share the Wi-Fi password on this device. So the first task you need to resolve is to get to the Wi-Fi settings page. The quickest and easiest and the most universal way to do that is by swiping downwards from the status bar, opening the notification and control panel, then locate the Wi-Fi shortcut over here that looks exactly like so, touch and hold. Once at the Wi-Fi category of settings or at the Wi-Fi page, choose what particular network you would like to share the password of and simply tap on it. And after that, as you can see, it will provide us with the QR code, which you can scan, which you can use in order to automatically connect your device to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.